although that the Supreme Court has said that several more aspects to be deliberated, and you have also been granted an opportunity to file an application.
No,
where
for
you
that,
can raise
for
these
that,
points.
I am eternally grateful. I'm not saying that, but please understand the victim's plight. She asks me question. So what do I do? How do I tell her that I have not been? CBI has ensured that I don't get an opportunity to argue this case. So ये है बस बात.
But sir, the
Now-
argument was
now-
made there. The Supreme Court has now given the relief. So
Only on grounds which are not the strongest grounds.
okay.
Only on grounds which are not strongest ground, and we had far more stronger grounds which we could have argued, and that could have also become part of this order also, staying this thing. But that opportunity, CBI ensured that firstly we were not made a party, so that I will have a greater challenge to even address the court, and they were quite successful in this. That's all I can say about that. Further, if you say that this is a big victory, I think if we call this a big victory, we will be doing biggest disservice to the victim's family and all the girl children of the country. Because victory would have been, if slight victory that too, if the suo moto proceeding, which was already going on here and which was closed midway by the Honorable Apex Court, could have been revived. I tried to raise that issue, but that issue was also not considered. Now I will have to move a separate petition for that. So this is not a victory. This is a small respite. There cannot be a victory for this girl. Please, this country and all of us have to understand this. It is my failure also. I am accepting again and again and again. I am not able to get her at least the revenge kind of thing. What about victory? She has lost her father. She's lost her lawyer. She's lost her two aunts. She was almost killed. She doesn't have a job. Her husband is being threatened and beaten, and the attempts are being made on their lives. Is this victory for her? Please, we have to be grounded and understand what is victory and what is just a respite, small respite.
So will you be moving an application in this case?
I will do all that, but please understand their legal power, their side is infinitely more stronger than us. We are just a small office. They have best of the best lawyers. They attack us from both sides. We would have slight respite if the CBI and the central government at least give us some opportunity to at least put our case that they are denying again and again. Firstly, they did not make us a party. Can there be something more unfair than this? That the victim is not, which is mandatory provision in law, in POXO cases, that victim has to be heard. So they ensured that court will not hear us today. That is the game plan of CBI.
So you were also moving an application before the CBI for
Yes.
registration of FIR. What happened?
Yes,
In that?
nothing will happen because I wanted to raise that issue. So therefore they ensured that I don't get a chance to argue.